So we were done with this page till this one last video. So in today's video we are going to see this another question. What is written here? A jar which contains a number of red, white and blue marbles. So this means there would be 3 jars and that all will be having one red, second white, third blue. Okay, then they are saying suppose that if red and white are 2:3, they are saying red would be 2 and white would be 3. Okay, so then they are saying white and blue. Again, white and blue. White is 3, we know that, and blue is what number? Blue is written here, it's 5. So this means we can say we get the ratio of the, we can write the ones only. So 2:3:5 is the value which we get. So now what they're asking, then for every 2 red marble there are 3 white ones. For every 2 marbles you will see there are 3 white ones. Okay, then for those yes, then what they're asking, they're saying for 3 white ones there are 5 blue. If you take 3 white there'll be 5 blue. Okay, then red and blue are, then they're just telling red and blue ratio. So red and blue are 2:5. Okay, so they all would be extended to 2:3:5. So R are 2, white are 3, blue are 5. Then if the ratio is this one the same, we could not combine them easily. From the diagram below we see for every 8 red there are 15 blue. So now they are given ratio of RB. What they're saying now, here they're saying red are equal to 8 and blue are equal to 15. Okay, so when 2, it would, we have multiplied this with 4 and you found 4 2s are 8 and 5 which is multiplied with 3 because the ratio which we were having here is this one. Or let's see what's here. So red are 2, white are these one. So when you will add these, you'll find the ratio. Red and white, when they will be added, you can see they are saying that if the ratio are red and blue are 2:3 and white are 4:5. Okay, so let me just write R W and again W ratio B. So white, red, white, blue. R here is 2, white is 3, again white here is 4, blue is 5. This is the ratio which have been given here. So when you look into diagram, you will find this diagram 2 3 5. To see this without drawing a picture, we write this fraction as, so this R upon W, this means 2 and 3. So you can also write 2 upon 3 because this is given ratio and fraction can be written in ratio 2:3. Then white and blue, they can be also written as 4 upon 5. This should be clear till here. Then they are asking what is the ratio of red and blue because red and blue are not given. So let's get started. So red and blue we have to find. What we will do, we'll just add red ratio, just add the value which we have 2 upon 3, which is the ratio of red and white. Then just multiply this with the ratio which we have second, white and blue. So white and blue are 4:5. Okay, so when we'll multiply them, 3 5s are, which will be equal to 15 on the downward. Okay, and on upper side 4 2s are 8. 8:5 would be the number of red and white marble. This should be clear. Now we have just identified without diagram, we can also do this question. So this will be the answer. Now let's move toward the example 7. What they're asking, if a jar, oh these all are so tricky questions. If a jar which each contains 70 marbles, all of them are red, white, blue. So in a jar, red and white are 2:3, white and blue are 3:5. In a jar B, you see 2:3 of red and white and blue are 4:5. What is the total number of white marbles? So identify white marbles in these two.